Hi, I'm Andy, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Autodesk Navisworks on your Smartboard interactive display to improve the effectiveness of your coordination and design reviews. Thanks to a plugin developed by Smart Ecosystem member IDS Engineering, Autodesk Navisworks users can now take full advantage of the Smartboard pen tray and touch recognition in order to directly mark up and manipulate 3D images while working as a group at a Smartboard interactive display. Let me show you how it works. Here I have a Navisworks model open on my workstation, which is connected to a Smartboard 8070i interactive display. I'm also running Smart Meeting Pro software. With Smart's touch recognition, your finger acts just like a mouse to select menu items and tools within Navisworks. A simple two-finger gesture acts as your right mouse click. Using basic two-finger gestures, I can also manipulate the model to get to the image that I wish to review with the design team. I can pan up and down and left and right with the model, and I can also zoom in and out. You can also use a gesture to orbit the model around a pivot point. Your stationary finger sets the pivot point, while your second finger guides the orbit. Once you have established the image that you want to review with the team, simply save the viewpoint in Navisworks. You can now make redline markups directly in the model. Picking up the pen from the pen tray automatically sets Navisworks to the freehand annotation tool. You can select the color of your annotation by using the pen tray color buttons, or you can select a color directly from the Navisworks palette. Any notes that you write on the model are now captured as part of the Navisworks file, not as a separate ink layer. This integration of the pen tray pen with the Navisworks markup tool helps you capture and manage notes more effectively during a design review. You can use this same note capture capability when viewing and marking up Navisworks clash detection results. Use the pen tray eraser to erase any of your markups. The plugin maps it directly to your eraser tool. If you want to take notes and make markups on a specific view, but you don't want those notes to be captured as part of the Navisworks file, you can use the plugin's View Capture utility to capture the view screen area and transfer it to Smart Meeting Pro. Press the capture icon in the upper left corner of your view screen, and Meeting Pro automatically saves a copy of your screen to the whiteboard. You can now go into Meeting Pro and make ad hoc notes about the view using Meeting Pro's digital ink. You can save these notes in a variety of formats, including PDF and PowerPoint, for later distribution to your team members. The last thing I want to show you is how well Navisworks and the interactive display works with Smart Bridget conferencing software. During your design review, you can share your screen with remote participants simply by pressing Share Screen on your Meeting Pro toolbar. Not only can remote participants see your screen, they can also add markups. Here we have a remote user running Bridget conferencing software on their iPad. The remote user can see the markups you are making, and they can also remotely mark up the view in Navisworks. The remote annotations appear as part of the saved Navisworks view, just as if the remote user was standing beside you and marking up the model. With Smart Bridget conferencing, each individual can engage fully in the design review. They can collaborate whether they're in the same meeting room with you, out at the job site, or in an office halfway around the world. I hope you found this review of the Navisworks integration with the Smartboard interactive display useful. If you are a developer interested in creating plugins for smart solutions, please visit us at smarttech.com/ecosystem.